Hey guys, welcome to Top 1%. Today I'm going to be making a detailed review of weighted vest from Decathlon that I purchased recently, and ever since lockdown I realized how important it is to expand your inventory of home workout equipments. And honestly, even before that, since I moved to my new apartment, I haven't had access to barbell plates and power rack. So I had to make progress and train without using the most important compound movements that every single person should be doing if they want to get bigger, if they want to build more muscle, build more strength and power and all of that. So yeah, I've been working on improving my home workout equipments and focusing on what I should be getting. Basically invest in the stuff that's going to pay off in the future, so that you don't have to rely on going to a gym or any sort of external circumstances. So you have no excuses to make. You stay at home, you train and you get the best possible results. I even made a video in the past covering the best home workout equipments every single person needs to invest in, whether your budget is really low, it's medium budget or high budget. Watch that video after this. I'll link it in description. That's going to be a lot of help. Anyways, let's get started with today's video where I'm going to be reviewing the weighted vest. Let's go. Alright, so this is how the package of the weighted vest looks, as you can see right here. And let me tell you a little bit about the weighted vest as you take a look at the packaging. So you can use the weighted vest to basically increase the difficulty of any body weight movement. That could be push-ups, pull-ups, dips, sprinting, lunges, whatever it is. So it's gonna make body weight movements a little more harder, and that's effective because that allows you to progressively overload and get stronger, build more muscle. And there's so many interesting ways to train using the weighted vest, so it can come in handy when you're training at home and don't have access to your typical full gym, you know, the barbell, power racks, plates, machines and all that stuff. So now that you have a decent idea of how to use the weighted vest, let me talk about the product itself. As you can see, there is 4 1 kg plates that can be added to the weighted vest to make it more heavy, and the base weight of the vest is 6 kgs, which cannot be decreased, so you can change the weight from anywhere between 6 kgs to 10 kgs. Honestly, it would have been more nice if I could increase the weight beyond the 10 kgs, because 10 kgs alone is not going to be very challenging for most compound movements, and once you reach a certain level of fitness, that's something you're going to need to do. I think it may be possible for me to improvise and add some extra weight that's not given with the product to make it even more challenging, and I'll try to do that and make a video on that along with how to work out using the weighted vest. As you can see here, the weighted vest along with the 4 plates weighs exactly 10 kilos, and each individual plate actually measures a little more than 1 kg. That's good, isn't it? What really impressed me about the product is the quality of the build. The material is really good, so there's no issues of the vest tearing off when you put too much weight or the threads coming out or anything like that. And like you can see, it's pretty simple to put on. There's some hook attachments to adjust the level of tightness you need, and once you put it on, it's pretty sturdy, it's pretty comfortable as well. So that was just the review of how the product was, right? But I haven't really talked about what exercises you can do, how you can use this to train effectively, what you should be doing, what you should avoid while training with a weighted vest. I'll come up with a video pretty soon covering in detail the training principles that you need to keep in mind, the exercises you should be focusing on, and basically give you a complete workout routine to train with a weighted vest, coming really soon. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below what videos you want me to cover in the future, share this video to all those people who want to train at home, and until next time, take care, stay hungry.